Add yeast to Nutella and you'll crave it this way. In a bowl, start by cracking 3 eggs. Next, add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Let's add some sugar. I used 3 tablespoons. Mix it all well. Now pour in a cup of milk. Then add our Nutella with the yeast. Stir thoroughly until Nutella fully dissolves. Now add a cup and a half of flour. This is the perfect consistency. Transfer it to a greased, floured pan. Bake at 180 degrees for about 50 minutes. Check out how amazing this cake looks. Just unmold it onto a plate. Now slice and enjoy. The best part? This cake is super fluffy. Perfect with coffee or as a filled cake. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.